and Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Secretary Shri Apurva Chandra. Ladies and gentlemen, also please make some noise and welcome the cast and crew of Alma and Oskar, Dieter Berner, director of the film, Valentin Postelmeier, cast actor, along with the director of photography, Jakub Bechnerovich, producer Johanna Scherz, editor Christoph Brunner, Max Zacher, and Tina Teifling. Come on everyone, give them a big round of applause. I request the Honourable Minister, Shri Anurag Thakur Ji, to please do the honours presenting and felicitating Director Dieter Berner. So I request you to please also present the memento to Valentin Postelmeier. Anurag sir, if you could please present it to Valentin. Valentin, could you please step forward? Requesting Jakub Bechnerovich to please step forward. Anurag sir, if you could please present him with the mementos as well. I request Johanna Scherz to please step forward. Anuragji, can you please present Johanna with the mementos? Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together, please. Thank you, Anurag sir. Requesting Dr. L. Murugan to please felicitate Christoph Brunner. Christoph, I request you to please step forward.